Welcome back, friends. And in your MI mobile or Xiaomi mobile or Redmi mobile, if you are experiencing skin flickering or vertical lines or horizontal lines or some green line in between, in that case, I am going to tell you some tricks, some things which you need to do before going to repair center. So, in this video, please go through completely and carefully till the last. And after watching it completely, if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe it. Not wasting much of your time. The first thing what I wanted to tell you, if you have experienced this type of situation, then the very first thing you need to check is just swipe it down and see the brightness level. Here, in this type of interface will come. You can go directly by long press it and see auto brightness is on or off. If it is on, then turn it off and then select the brightness manually. After doing that, if your problem is getting solved, then it is okay. Otherwise, the second thing I am going to tell you, go to the Play Store and download one app. Before going to the app, I want to tell you one more thing. Just go to the setting and here go to the accessibility, additional setting, go below, see developer option is coming or not. If in your phone developer option is not on, then I have already made a video how to turn on developer option. Please go through it. Otherwise, go to the about phone and OS version will come. Just tap it there 7-8 times, and after that it will come that developer option has been activated. Then again go back to additional setting, and here you will see developer option. Just go there, turn it on. By suppose it is off, now I will show you. Go to the about phone, turn out 7-8 times. Now you are now a developer. Go back. Now additional setting, here see developer option has come, it is on. Now go below, go below. You will see disable HW overlays. See, go below. Disable SW overlays allows use GPU for screen compose. See, just in case in your mobile it is turned on, just turn it off, or if it is off, then turn it on, toggle it. Actually, this is switching between GPU and CPU for screen, what screen you are seeing, for that purpose. Not going much detail in the technicality, just toggle it and see if you are feeling any difference or not in that lines, vertical or horizontal lines. If it is coming, then it is okay. If you are still there at your problem, then go to the Play Store and download this app. Search here OLED saver, and the very first it will come. Install it. Okay, installation is in progress. Now I will open it. Okay, it will ask reduce ice headache caused by the PVDM exclusions. Grant permission. You have to give permission. Okay, go back, then again grant permission. Downloaded apps, here screen dimmer, just use screen dimmer, it will ask for that. Accessibility is highly sensitive permission, but you have to take care to see that your problem is coming or not. Just okay. Now after okay, then go back, again grant permission. Okay, allow it, and then this one. So enable services. Now we have to enable it. Okay, see, something has happened. Now from here you can optimize it. So there are many other things you can take care. See, if you are not finding it useful, you can uninstall it. So these are the 3 4 things which I wanted to tell you to stop flickering of your mi mobile. If you find this video useful, please share it on social media web platforms, and subscribe it. Thank you very much.